Today's topic is about birthday party. Enjoy.
So Nina, your birthday's coming up next weekend. Are we celebrating it low-key this year, or are you finally letting us throw you a proper party?
Honestly, I wasn't planning much. But now that you mention it, I wouldn't mind something a bit more special this time. I've had a rough year. I could use some fun.
That's all we needed to hear. We're doing this. Let's plan a birthday bash that'll actually make you feel celebrated, not just older.
Totally agree. But let's start with the basics. Nina, what kind of vibe do you want? Wild night out? Cozy dinner? Backyard gathering?
No clubs this time, please. I think I'd prefer something more relaxed, but still festive. Maybe something outdoors, if the weather holds.
I like that idea. Maybe a garden party or rooftop barbecue? It could be casual, but still really cute with lights, music, and good food.
I can bring my speakers and set up a playlist. We could even do a little dance floor setup if it goes late into the evening.
My cousin's got a decent backyard and he's away next weekend. I could ask if we could use his place. It's spacious and has a built-in grill.
That sounds amazing, honestly. I wouldn't want it to be too fancy. Just lots of laughter, good food, and all of you around.
Perfect. So Andre checks on the venue. I'll take care of decorations, fairy lights, candles, maybe some photo booth props.
I'll handle music and drinks. Do we want to go BYOB, or should we stock up ourselves?
I say we buy some basics and let people bring what they like too. That way, we don't blow the whole budget on booze.
And speaking of budget, I can chip in. I know it's for my birthday, but I don't want to dump all the cost on you guys.
We're not letting you pay for your own party. But maybe we can all contribute a bit and keep receipts so we split it fairly?
Works for me. I'll put together a little Google sheet so we can track what we spend and who's covering what.
Okay, logistics check. We've got potential space, music, lights, drinks. What about food? Are we cooking or ordering in?
I'd love a barbecue setup. Burgers, veggie skewers, grilled stuff. It feels chill and summery.
I can make a couple of big salads and maybe some baked goodies. People always love my lemon bars, just saying.
And I can do cocktails and mocktails. I've been wanting to try out this watermelon mint mojito recipe.
I can be on grill duty. I'll prep marinades and get everything ready beforehand so we're not rushing last minute.
This is already sounding better than any birthday I've had in years. You guys are amazing.
You deserve it. Also, do we want a theme or color palette just for the aesthetic? It helps tie everything together.
Ooh, yes. Something like boho sunset or tropical chill. Not too much effort, but looks great in pics.
Just don't make me wear flower crowns, please. I draw the line at coordinated outfits.
Let's do sunset picnic. Think warm colors, cozy blankets, maybe even a fire pit if your cousin allows it.
Love it. I'll get throw pillows, lanterns, and maybe rent a few low tables. It'll feel like a cozy hangout space.
Do we want a cake or skip it for something less traditional, like a dessert table with lots of little sweets?
A cake feels right. I know someone who bakes killer chocolate ganache cakes, and they take custom orders.
Chocolate anything is perfect. Maybe something a bit dramatic, like dripping icing or edible flowers?
I'll coordinate with Andre's baker friend and make sure it fits the theme too.
What about invitations? Are we just texting people or doing something fun like digital cards?
I can throw together a little evite with the theme and RSVP link. Then we can share it on the group chats.
Keep the guest list manageable, though. I don't want 50 people showing up and overwhelming the space.
Totally. Let's cap it at 20, close friends only. That way it stays intimate and everyone gets to talk and chill.
Speaking of people, anyone you don't want there, Nina, just so we avoid awkward encounters.
Yeah, maybe leave out the exes and drama queens. I want this to be a safe, happy zone.
Say less. We'll run the list by you before sending anything out.
Okay, timeline check. Your birthday's Saturday, right? So we'll set up early afternoon, people arrive by 5?
Sunset's around 7.
I'll prep the grill early and start cooking around 6. That way we're not starving once people settle in.
You guys are thinking of everything. It's kind of surreal not having to stress about my own party for once.
That's the point. We want you to just enjoy and feel appreciated.
Do you want any games or activities? Or just keep it spontaneous?
Maybe 1 or 2 party games. Something silly like charades or who's most likely to, just to break the ice.
That works. No organized itinerary, though. I just want the flow to be natural.
Got it. A bit of structure, but mostly chill vibes. I'll print out some game cards just in case.
Are we doing a group gift or just individual ones?
I vote group. We can all pitch in for something meaningful. Nina, is there anything you've been wanting lately?
Honestly, a good Bluetooth speaker would be awesome. Mine's old and crackly.
Done. I'll research models and send links for us to choose one together.
So,
I think we've covered the bases. Let's keep an eye on the weather, though. If it rains, we need a backup plan.
Fingers crossed for sun, but yeah, maybe have a few big tarps or a gazebo tent just in case.
I'll check out some rental options. Even if we don't use them, it's good to have.
one last thing. Should we ask people to bring anything?
Maybe just their favorite drink and a blanket. Everything else is covered.
This is shaping up to be the best birthday I've had in ages. Thank you all for making it feel so special already.
Just wait till the actual day. We're going all out to celebrate you, Nina.
Prepare for lots of dancing, way too many selfies, and some truly embarrassing birthday toasts.
And maybe a few surprises you won't see coming. Just saying.
I can't wait. Let's make it a night to remember.
Let's learn some new words in today's conversation. Bash, meaning a lively party or celebration. Example, they planned a birthday bash with music and barbecue. Vibe, meaning the mood, feeling, or atmosphere of a place or situation. Example, she wanted the party to have a relaxed vibe. Grill, meaning to cook food over direct heat, usually on a barbecue. Example, Andre offered to grill burgers and skewers. Theme, meaning a unifying idea or motif around which something is organized. Example, they chose a sunset picnic theme. Decorate, meaning to make something look more attractive by adding items to it. Example, Maya offered to decorate with fairy lights. Venue, meaning the location where an event takes place. Example, Andre suggested using his cousin's backyard as the venue. Aesthetic, meaning a set of principles guiding the visual appearance or style of something. Example, they wanted a cozy aesthetic for the party. Setup, meaning the arrangement or preparation of equipment or furniture for an event. Example, Leo handled the speaker setup. Spontaneous, meaning happening naturally or without planning. Example, Nina preferred the party to be spontaneous and relaxed. Props, meaning objects used for decoration or fun during events, especially for photos. Example, Maya suggested bringing photo booth props. Playlist, meaning a list of songs curated for a specific purpose or occasion. Example, Leo promised to build the perfect party playlist. Mocktail, meaning a non-alcoholic drink that mimics a cocktail. Example, Leo planned to make mojitos and mocktails. Backyard, meaning an outdoor area behind a house, often used for gatherings. Example, they decided to host the party in a backyard. Lantern, meaning a portable light source used for decoration or illumination. Example, Maya planned to add lanterns to set the mood. Budget, meaning a financial plan outlining spending limits. Example, they agreed to stick to a shared budget. RSVP, meaning is an initialism derived from the French phrase Répondez s'il vous plaît, a response to an invitation indicating attendance. Example, Andre created an RSVP link for guests. Guest list, meaning a list of people invited to an event. Example, they limited the guest list to 20 friends. Coordinate, meaning to organize tasks so that they work together efficiently. Example, Maya coordinated the cake with the decorations. Pitch in, meaning to contribute effort or money toward a shared goal. Example, everyone agreed to pitch in for Nina's speaker. Chill, meaning relaxed or laid back in attitude or setting. Example, Nina asked for a chill evening instead of a nightclub outing. Cozy, meaning comfortable, warm, and inviting. Example, the group envisioned a cozy setting with pillows and blankets. Throw, meaning to organize or host an event, especially informally. Example, they decided to throw Nina a proper birthday party. Fire pit, meaning a structure for safely containing a fire outdoors. Example, Nina suggested including a fire pit for warmth. Rent, meaning to pay for temporary use of an item or space. Example, Maya looked into renting low tables and tarps. Blanket, meaning a large cloth used for warmth or sitting outdoors. Example, guests were asked to bring a blanket. Surreal, meaning unbelievable or dreamlike in a good way. Example, Nina said the surprise planning felt surreal. Throw pillows, meaning small decorative cushions used for comfort or ambiance. Example, Maya wanted to scatter throw pillows on the grass. Selfies, meaning photos people take of themselves, often shared socially. Example, Leo joked there'd be too many selfies. Celebrated, meaning honored or recognized with joy or praise. Example, the goal was to make Nina feel truly celebrated. Break the ice, meaning to initiate conversation and make people feel more comfortable. Example, they planned games to break the ice.